Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce moving expenses with U-Haul easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by planning your move well in advance. Create a detailed inventory of all your belongings. Decide which items you truly need to move. Consider donating or selling items you no longer require. Visit the U-Haul website to explore rental options available in your area. Choose the right size truck based on your inventory list. Remember, a smaller truck often means lower rental costs. Calculate the total distance you'll be traveling. This will help you estimate fuel costs more accurately. Check for any current promotions or discounts on the U-Haul site. It's beneficial to book your rental truck online to get the best rates. Select the pickup and drop-off locations that are most convenient for you. Consider timing your move during the weekday. Weekends are typically busier and can lead to higher rental prices. Make sure to handle your own packing to save money. Use free packing materials from local stores. Gather boxes, newspapers, and bubble wrap to protect your items. Label each box clearly to streamline the unpacking process. Arrange for friends or family to help with heavy lifting. Hiring professional movers adds significant costs, so seek assistance instead. Fill the truck carefully to maximize space and prevent damage. Use available straps and blankets for added protection. Refuel the truck before returning it to avoid extra charges. Inspect the truck for any damages before handing it back in. Keep a copy of your rental agreement and any receipts for your records. Reflect on your moving experience to find even more ways to save. Utilizing these tips will help you reduce your moving expenses significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.